Hi everyone. So I picked up this listen to me, Comfast, and this is the 300. This is the N300 Wi-Fi range extender repeater. So this is how it comes, and this is what the box looks like, with a little bit of just specs on the back. What comes inside is a quick installation guide, a a warranty card, and this is what the product looks like. So to give you an idea of size, this is how big it is. These will move from side to side. These are the antenna to assist you. And on the back, I want to also point out that there is a default IP address on the back, as well as the user is admin and the password is admin if you need that. So here is the first thing that I did. Step one is my particular router has a WPS button. So you will press the WPS button on your router for as long as your router is supposed to have it. Usually it's about 2 or 3 seconds. And then within 50 seconds, you need to get back over to this one, wherever you have it plugged in, and press this button right here for 2 seconds. You hold it down and then let it go and allow this 30 seconds to be able to connect to your wireless router through the WPS option. So you'll see it kind of flash a little bit and then it should hook up if that works. So I'm also going to show you the second way to do it, which is a little more complicated. So just 1 second. Okay guys, for the second step, you'll want to have this, the second option to set it up is you'll want to have this plugged in, and you're going to want to have your laptop on wireless, but you're going to have an Ethernet cord connected from your computer to here. So this is on wireless, not wired into my internet. This is Ethernet to Ethernet here, and I'm plugging it in right here on this power cord. So I've got it ready. And I'm going to show you the next step with just 1 second on the actual computer screens. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is type in this web address, 192.168.10.1. This is the IP address of the Comfast itself. So you can see it comes up here. Your username and password, all this information is on the back of the product, and I'll show you that in the video, is admin. The password is admin, and you log in. At this point, you can then look at anything here to see what it's doing. So you can see the mode is on repeater. It is an SSID of Comfast 192095, which is right here in my wireless. You can see that right there. And if you need to reset it, you can restore it to default, check firmware upgrades, reboot it, give it a time zone setting or a password, etc., etc. So there's some different things here that it can do. So where I'm going to go from here is click on repeater. It's doing scanning a wireless signal. So we're going to wait for it. And these are all the things that it can find right now on the wireless. You can see that I have different SSIDs. This one in particular, this ASUS 2.4, is for my house. So I'm going to go over here to the right and hit select. And down here we will say we want this one to connect to my ASUS 2.4, which is one of the wireless SSIDs that my router belongs to me. It will now, you can change it to a new SSID, so you can call it Comfast 192095 plus. You can rename it to whatever you like, or you can even put it as repeater. The pre-shared key will be whatever the password is for that SSID that you are connecting to. And I'm not going to say what mine is, but that is mine. So repeater is now configured successfully. It is now rebooting. So you wait the 30 seconds just like before. And once that's done, we will watch it and you will see that you will get a successful setting here in just a second. All right, there you go. Repeater setting complete. Please reconnect to the Wi-Fi. So at this point then, I would then change this, and you now see I have an ASUS 2.4 Plus that is what it changed the name to. So even though I gave it that other name, it actually just went ahead and gave it the, oh, here's my repeater right there. So there's my repeater right here if I needed to, or you could also connect back through it through this ASUS 2.4 Plus. Either way, this one is what it defaults to the setting. And so then I'm going to connect back to ASUS right here, which I know is mine. And everything is now good to go. At this point now I can disconnect it from my computer as well as the power strip that I have it connected to, and go and plug it into anywhere I want in the house, and give it a few seconds and you don't have to press anything else. It will pick up your router's Wi-Fi signal. Okay everyone, this is the third way to connect your Comfast Wi-Fi repeater to your actual router. So what you'll do is you'll go through your Wi-Fi settings on your cell phone, and you'll notice there's one here that says Comfast right here. Go ahead and click that one to connect to it. It is an open system, so you won't need a password. It's now connecting. After you confirm that it has connected, you go ahead and you'll need to go to your app store if you don't have a QR code reader right here. So you'll just click on that once you download one, and at that point then you will scan the QR code on the actual product, and it'll say, do you want to go to this URL? You'll hit OK. It'll ask you what browser you want to use. I'm just going to use Chrome because that's what I have on my cell phone. Alright, there it is, see? So the next thing is you'll just have it in English. The password's right there, and then you just click login. The password is admin, ADMIN if you need it. So I'm just hitting login. And it's moving along. Now it's looking for the actual device. So it gives you your available Wi-Fi list, and what this is doing is kind of creating a secondary network, as someone else mentioned in a review. So these are the two wireless SSIDs that it can connect to, and so it will not work with a 5G. It's only working with a 2.4 gigahertz system. So it would be nice if it was able to do 5G like my router can do, because it would go faster, but this one can't do it. So your password is admin. And it's going to make a new SSID with this 2.4 Plus, which is what it talks about in the instructions, and we'll hit connect. So it's setting the repeater settings. Okay, so it says reboot the device. This has been successful. Please reconnect the Plus and enjoy your Wi-Fi. So now you can go back to your Wi-Fi and you can connect back to your normal system. And that's it. Now you're all done with setting up the repeater, and you can now unplug it and go connect it wherever you need to in the house, and you're ready to go. So I hope this review was super helpful for you guys and in your shopping choices. Thanks, and have a great day.